How to make money on TikTok. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Recently, TikTok became the new normal short video platform, challenging Instagram and attracting the most influential celebrities to its amazing system. With most of these celebrities and influencers making money from their activities on the TikTok app. This millennial app targets the age range of teens to the late 40s audience. The TikTok app has been downloaded over 2 billion times on the App Store and Google Play Store. With over 1 billion app downloads on Google Play Store alone, you will agree with me that this app has the right audience that can make you money. Here are 5 ways you can make money by creating an account on the TikTok app. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. That is the earning avenue that will never die. Whatever the social media network or anything you use online, there are certainly the inevitable chances of doing the affiliate marketing the right way. Though you may devise the few simple ways to do the affiliate marketing through the TikTok app, and I would suggest promoting the products through filming the TikTok videos covering every appearance and the features that particular product hold. Yet that is just achievable if you have the huge and extremely fan base that you know is appropriate to what you are going to develop as the affiliate. It would help if you did not destroy the fan base by recommending and coming up with the relevant product/service. The link that product or service up into the video's description to get your audience flooded towards and count the commissions. Number 2. Shoutouts. Shoutouts are generally given when starting the TikTok videos, though it would not look okay to flood these short, lengthier videos. You can still try. So, talk with other TikTokers to get them interested in this offer of shoutouts in your videos. But that proposal will accomplish great if you have the precise value of the fan base and giving this cooperation at the affordable value range. Enjoy the shoutouts that will pay you. Number 3. Sell your own. It does familiarize with the e-commerce business step, but it is a little different here. Sell whatever you have that can be advantageous for your fanbase. Anything in particular that you have in abundance, does try to politely and softly attempt to sell. That could be risky, but it is worth a try, and you must not do it every other day. Take the time to deliver the best content to your fanbase to keep them engaged with you, and do a single video based on the stuff that you want to attempt to sell. Thus, target the how-to kind of videos to try with this. Try to test how this experience goes. Or do some features at the very close of such videos, highlight whatever you are to sell. Number 4. E-commerce business. Whatever you do, and you are inclined to make the content about the same, then hope over this portion of monetizing your TikTok app account. Get the products yourself, use it, and give the honest review, and, eventually, promote that. Yeah, not anyone's product I am telling you about to think of promoting as the e-commerce product to sell, but your own. Get it promoted and see what feedback you receive from your audience. If good and people are interested in buying from you, do that to pack and ship to the person's address. This way, you are not promoting other products to gain the sizable commission. Sell your own and grow your online business being operated through TikTok. Number 5. Management services. The 5th way you can make money from TikTok is by offering management services for creators on the app. Some creators on TikTok have millions of followers, and sometimes this happens really fast and overnight for that creator. You could step in and offer services to help them with their content strategy, their creative strategy, maybe managing offers and deals that come their way. So if you have that background in production or storytelling, you could definitely apply that to offering management services to TikTok creators. Just believe me, earning from TikTok is not an easy task for sure. So, come up with the best content that is funny, informative, and entertaining to make the fan base/following through only the organic ways. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.